Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on special function. Now you need to select Lightning multi-window at the top and tap on this gray sweater in order to activate it. Now you can click on default position, tap on the best option for you and save it by choosing OK. You can also click on Walk Me Through to follow user's guide. When you're ready, click on Home button and access any app that you wish to use in this view. Then swipe up with your 3 fingers. And as you can see, when I click on this little window, I can use my app in pop-up view. If you wish to move it around, hold this line and drag it. You can also use it to overlay the other app by tapping on the other one and using both. To make your window smaller, click on this little icon in the middle, and to go back, tap on your window. You can make it full screen by tapping on this button, the left one, or you can also close it completely by tapping on X at the top right corner. In order to disable this feature completely, go into the same settings, over here, and tap on blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!